Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brain-rot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
What's up, man?
Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., the South Slope boundary was located along a line extending from near Tacoronski to near Chevalier Bay.
Wait, outflow boundary, interesting.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chevalier Bay and Tacoronski. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your reports with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The marine forecast.
Outflow boundary, interesting. All right.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hardee County in central Florida, northeastern DeSoto County in south central Florida until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yes, let's go.
54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast, 60 miles an hour wind and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
WGIS.
Brownville in Sweetwater. Prepare immediately for large hail and damage.
First award on my DSP. Let's go.
7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: DeSoto, Florida.
No vuelve a ti, radio.
WSSE. Yo.
Time for the following county: Hardee, Florida. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gardner, Brownville, and Sweetwater. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Oh yeah.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: DeSoto, Florida. A special weather statement for the WXK-83 listening area for the following county: DeSoto, Florida. Issued at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.